us jump. We looked, then we saw him set in on the mat. We looked and we saw him, the cat in the hat.
Make that cat go away. You do not want to play. He should not be about when your mother is out.
Why, we can have lots of good fun, if you wish, with a game that I call Up with a Fish. Look at me! Look at me! I'm the cat, with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat.
Our fish came down too. He fell into a box.
Do I like this? Oh no, I do not.
I will pick up the book. You will see something new. Two things, and I call them Thing 1 and Thing 2. They are tame. Oh, so tame. They have come here to play.
No, not in the house.
So the fish in the pot?
They should not fly kites in a house. They should not. The way that they play, if Mother could say that, oh, what would she say? Your mother is near. So as fast as you can, think of something to do. You will have to get rid of me.
Oh dear, you did not like our game. What a shame. What a shame.
We cannot pick it up.
I will show you another good trick that I know. Have no fear of this mess,
said the cat.
I always pick up my playthings, and so I will show you another good trick that I know.
Then our mother came in and said to us to.
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
Should we tell her about it? No, what should we do?